Ain't
Yeah.
found my way.
Yeah, I knew it. Okay, we'll try this one. This one's a little Alice in Chains by me and Arnie Cardenas. I'm Dan. Whatever. Ain't found a way to kill me yet. Eyes burn, sing and swear. Seems every path leads me to nowhere. I wanted to go got my pills against mosquito drops, but it's not. It's not that. It's not. It's got my pills. Let's bring it up. I also have the cheat sheet on there. Look it up and tune it up.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. We'll do that. Let's see how that.